Getting started with your wireless camera. Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
How to view by app. The first, scan code to download InstaVision app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add the device by app. Power on the camera.
Welcome to your new camera. Please follow the instructions in the user manual to download the app and pair your camera.
Smart connection. Open the InstaVision app. Click Add Camera. Make sure your device is powered on. Your phone will auto-detect nearby device. Tap the device that shows up. Connect the device to your Wi-Fi. Follow the step as required. Camera is connecting to Wi-Fi. Name the camera. Install the camera. Before installation, ensure the camera has been successfully added to the app. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws and adjust it to the right angle.